When designing a unit, we began with the end in mind, because no one wants to paint themselves into a corner. We asked, what would be assessed at the end of the unit? Then we built each 3-week unit from the back to the front. We looked at the text selections in the text for close reading and put the most complex ones in weeks 2 and 3. We asked, why are these texts complex? What are the barriers? What are the challenges that students will have with these texts? Then for week 1, we created 2 short reads for teachers to model and teach how to handle those barriers, providing students with the skills to access the complex texts in weeks 2 and 3. This backward-mapped instructional design provides a clear path as to what needs to be taught, which answers that question we all have when we move to a new program. What is it that I have to teach? And for grades K and 1, we know that these students are not exempt from accessing complex texts. They are developing listening comprehension of complex texts, using a mentor read aloud in week 1, and extended read big books in weeks 2 and 3. When thinking about what sort of resources we could create for students, we needed a component built for interaction, a component students could own, a component that highly encourages annotation. We created texts for close reading. These are consumable books engineered for interactive learning. With these books, students are taking responsibility and ownership for their learning. It's a powerful tool that takes the place of a simple workbook. There is space to write. They can highlight and underline. The paragraphs are numbered so that they can have conversations and easily cite evidence. Plus, the numbers prepare students for the format that they will encounter on the new assessments. Students will have this component in both print and digital formats. Digitally, students will be able to mark up the ebooks and take notes in the margins. Everything saves in their personal online account so that teachers can review at any time.